Hold on to your seats because what you're about to hear might just blow your mind. Can you believe that by the end of this year, artificial intelligence is predicted to drive USD 14 trillion of global economic outputs? Yes, you heard that right. $14 trillion, with AI marketing playing a pivotal role in this colossal figure. Imagine this. A small startup in Silicon Valley, barely a year old, struggling to make its mark in the saturated market. They decide to take a leap of faith and integrate AI into their marketing strategy. In comes a sophisticated AI system capable of analyzing consumer behavior, predicting trends, and personalizing content. The result? Within 6 months, the startup's sales skyrocketed by a staggering 200%, and their customer base tripled. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality of today's marketing landscape where AI is no longer a buzzword, but a game changer. It's like having a marketing crystal ball capable of foreseeing consumer behavior, thereby helping businesses to stay ahead of the curve. But how does it work? AI marketing uses algorithms and predictive analytics to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and predict future outcomes. It's like having your very own marketing oracle, providing insights to create personalized content, targeted marketing campaigns, and improved customer experience. The story of the Silicon Valley startup is not an isolated case. Many businesses, big and small, have experienced similar success by integrating AI into their marketing strategy. It's a testament to the power of AI marketing and its potential to revolutionize the way businesses connect with their consumers. To sum it up, AI marketing is not just a trend, it's the future. It's about harnessing the power of data, predictive analytics, and machine learning to drive business growth and create a competitive edge. The success story of the Silicon Valley startup is a testament to the potential of AI marketing. If you're not on board yet, you're missing out on a revolution that's set to redefine the marketing landscape. So the next time you're thinking about your marketing strategy, remember the Silicon Valley startup, remember the impact of AI marketing, and remember, the future is not tomorrow, it's today.